My name is Vaishnavi Moe. Today's topic feature of Java. The primary objective of Java programming language creation was to make it portable, simple, secure programming language. Apart from this, there is also some excellent feature which play an important role in the popularity of this language. The feature of Java are also known as Java project. A list of the most important feature of Java language is given below. Simple, object-oriented, portable, platform-independent, secure, robust, architecture neutral, interpreted, high performance, multi-threaded, and distributed dynamic. First of all, secure. Simple. Java is very easy to learn and its syntax is simple, clean and easy to understand according to some microsystem. Java language is a simple programming language because Java syntax is based on C++, so easier of programmers to learn after C++. Then second, object oriented. Java is an object oriented programming language. Everything in Java and object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different types of objects that incorporate both data and object-oriented programming. OOPS methodology. Then basic concept of OOPS are object, class, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, encapsulation, platform independent. Java is an platform independent because it is different from other language C, which are compiled into platform specific machine, while Java Java code can be executed on multiple platforms, for example Windows, Linux and Oracle Mac OS. Java code is compiled by the compiler. Then Java class loader. Java is a part of Java runtime environment JRE, and which is used to load Java classes into the Java virtual machine dynamically. Bytecode verifier, it checks the code fragments for illegal code that can volatile access. Security manager, it determines what resource class can access, such as and writing to the local disk. And the next, robust. The English meaning of robust, strong. Java is robust because it is use strong memory management. There is a lack of pointers that avoid security problems. Then architecture neutral. Java is an architecture neutral because there are no implementation dependent feature, or for example size, primitive types is fixed in C. Programming in data type occupies 2 bytes of memory for 32-bit architecture and 4 bytes of memory for 64-bit architecture. Then next, portable. Java is a portable because it facility you can carry of Java bytecode. Thank you.
This is